chapter number 12, that is muscular system and digestive system. So we are very much familiar about different types of system present in our body. So in our body, there are various systems present and which have different structure as well as they have different functions in our body, such as skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system. So all the systems have different work and they are very much important, plays very important role in our body. Now the question which I had asked you, that how are the bones in our body joined to each other? So the bones are joined with the help of joints or with the help of muscles. So with the help of muscles, the bones are joined to each other. Now what are muscles? Muscles are the bundle of fibers that can contract and relax. Okay, so when you fold your arm and you take your fist away from your arm, that time this activity when you must have done in PT. Okay, in the PT, this exercise you must have done. When you take your fist closer to your shoulder, that time you can see the muscles are contracting. And when you take away from your body, away from your shoulder, you can see that the muscles relax. So what are the muscles? Basically, muscles are the bundle of fibers that can contract and relax as required. So it is working on your own will. So it does not require any other, no other controller is there for your muscles. So you are the controller. So you you can contract or relax the muscles on your own choice. Okay, so let us continue. Now muscles contract and relax as different parts of the body move. So when you're walking, that time what happens, actually the muscles of your legs contract and relax, and that is why the movement of the body takes place. Even I have given you the example of your hand. The muscles give shape and posture to the body. As I told you, the skeletal system of our body is covered with the help of muscles. Why muscles are covering the bones of our body? To give the shape and proper posture to our body. So muscles play an important role to give the body definite shape and posture. Okay, then what are muscles? Muscles are the bundle of fibers that can contract and relax. So it works on our will. So it is asked, so it is said that as required. Okay, now the next point about the muscles are firmly attached to the bones by the means of tendons. Okay, tendons, with the help of tendons, the muscles are firmly attached to the bones. So muscles are attached to the bones firmly with the help of tendons. This word is very much important. It can be asked for your fill in the blanks. Okay, now there are different actions of your muscles that you can see. For example, eyelids, the movement of the eyelids also you can see while talking, laughing, walking, jumping, throwing. Different muscles are performing different various activities. Okay, there is contraction and relaxation of the muscles when you are working, when you're performing exercise, or when you're working in a, okay, that is all about the muscles. Then what is the function of the muscle? It gives, it is very much helpful for the movement of the body. It maintains the posture and the muscles, heat production also. So whatever temperature is regulated in our body excess, it tries to control the heat production of the body. So excess of the heat or workout is removed out with the help of the sweat. Then it also protects the bones and the internal organs. So muscles are very much important for protecting the bones and the internal organs. It plays very much important role in protecting the bones and the internal organs. Now, the muscles are of two types. Basically, the muscles are of two types, that is voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of voluntary muscles? The muscles that are working on our will, that is called as voluntary muscles. Okay. For example, I told you, raise your right hand up. So immediately you will raise your right hand up. Okay. Uh, if you want to raise your left hand up, so you will raise your left hand up, because it is depending on your own will. So if you want to raise your right hand, you will raise your right hand. If you want to raise your left hand, you will raise your left hand. That means these muscles are working on their own will. They are not depending on any other. They are working on their own will. So such type of muscles are called as voluntary muscles. Such type of muscles are called as voluntary muscles. Then what about the involuntary muscles? Involuntary muscles are the muscles that do not depend upon our will. Means they are not working on our will. Okay. Now, what are the examples of the voluntary muscles? You can see the muscles of the arms and the legs. Okay. While walking, eating, or working, you can see the muscles working. They are working according to our wish. But there are some muscles which we are not working our wish. They are known as involuntary muscles. And where these muscles are present? In stomach, intestine, heart. They are fixed muscles, and these muscles are not working upon our will. Okay. Okay. There are more than 600 muscles in our human body. So there are more than 600 muscles in our human body. And these muscles are 40% of the weight in the adult human being. So our total weight is 40% of the weight is based on the weight which is consist of muscles, which are consisting of muscles. And do you know, students, that the human face is having 30 muscles in our face? So human face consists of 30 muscles. So now I will tell you the types of the muscles. There are three basic types of the muscle, that is cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, and skeletal muscle. So what is about, let us understand about the cardiac muscle. Okay. Now the cardiac muscle, where it is found in heart. Okay. Now when the heart contracts and relax, so the contraction and the relaxation of the heart, that is done with the help of the muscles. And you cannot control the heartbeats of your body. So that muscles you cannot control. So contraction and relaxation, that is the heartbeat, is done with the help of the muscles. And these are the involuntary types of the muscles. Okay. Do you know, students, in a minute, how many times does the heart beats? Yes, very good. It beats for 72 to 74 times. It beats per minute 72 to 74 times. Okay. So you can count, keep your hand on your chest, and you can count in 1 minute how many heartbeats are heard. So that is very much important point in our cardiac muscle. Okay. Now, as I told you, the cardiac muscles are the involuntary muscles, and these muscles are having the ability of contracting and relaxing when the heartbeat is heard in the heart. So there is a contraction and relaxation movement in the heart of the muscles. Then the next type of the muscle, that is smooth muscle. Now where the smooth muscles are occurring? The smooth muscles are occurring in the stomach, intestine, blood vessel, uterus. And the movement of these involuntary muscles are very slow, and they have different special muscles for carrying out different functions, okay, in our body. For example, stomach. So the muscles in the stomach, those are having different, they are special, and they have given special function to perform. So that muscles are working very slow. For example, whatever food you are eating, the food is digested after 4 to 6 hours. Okay, 4 to 6 hours, whatever food you have eaten, that is digested after 4 to 6 hours. So it requires a time, and there are some special muscles present in this smooth muscles. Okay, these are very smooth to touch. Then the next type of muscle, that is skeletal muscle. Now these type of muscles, these muscles are attached to different bones. Okay, for example, the muscles of the arms and the legs. Okay, and these are voluntary muscles. Now these skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles. Okay, whereas the cardiac muscles and the smooth muscles, these are the involuntary muscles, means they are not working upon our will, they are working upon their will. Only the skeletal muscle is one of the type of the muscle that is working on our will, and the movement is possible due to this type of muscles. Okay, and also this type of muscles gives a shape to our body, proper posture to our body, and it protects the delicate organs present in our body. So this is about the skeletal system. Now, the working of the muscles. Now, these muscles always work in a group. They always work in a group. When some muscles contract, other muscles of the same group relax. Okay. So they are doing the work, coordinating with each other, and they are performing the work. Now, the muscles on the front of the bone of your upper arm, that are known as biceps. When you fold your hand, so boys especially are very much interested in biceps and triceps. Okay, so when anyone asks you to show muscle, you show the biceps. That is the upper arm you are showing. Okay, and the muscles at the back of the biceps, they are known as triceps. Okay, what is biceps? Biceps are the muscles on front of the bone in upper arm, that are called as biceps. So whenever any person asks you to show your bicep, you are ready to show your biceps. Okay, and the muscles which are backside of the biceps, they are known as triceps. Okay, now the study of the muscles. Do you know, students, what is the study of the muscles known as? The study of the muscle is known as myology. What is the study of the muscle known as? Myology. So any problem you are having in your muscles, you have to go to the doctor who is having specialization in study, who has completed his study in muscles, that is myology, and he can give you proper treatment. And do you know where is the largest muscle present in our body? The largest muscle present in our body is thigh, and the smallest muscle is present in our bone of ear, that is stirrup. So students, this question can be asked to you. What are biceps? What are triceps? What is the study of myology, study of muscles known as? And where is the largest bone and where is the smallest bone? So you have to read this thoroughly so that you can understand the lesson. So we have completed the muscular system here.